What's up guys, this is Unknown from Notion Hub, and in this video, we are doing a gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Vivo Y21. And before we start, here are the specifications. It comes with 6.51-inch Halo Full View display with HD Plus resolution, and it comes in 20:9 aspect ratio. It has 89% screen to body ratio. For performance, it has Helio P35 processor with PowerVR GE8320 GPU, and it has multi-turbo 5.0. Powering all this is 5000 mAh battery and supports 18 watts fast charging. Now here are Antutu and Geekbench scores. This is my current setup. There are two huge lights on either side. Battery is at 37%. Let's check the temperature before we start. It's 31 on all sides. There's an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is also at 26 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and play Battlegrounds Mobile India. Now these are the graphics settings. Balanced graphics and medium frame rate are the highest setting available, so I'll be playing in that. Now you can swipe from the edge to bring the game pop-up, and you can use in-game options. Now let's get to the game. The visuals are good, details are nice, and controlling is also smooth, and I couldn't notice any lag. Now it's been 16 minutes since I'm playing this game. Let's check the temperature. On the front it is 37 to 38 degrees. On the bottom it is 34 to 35 degrees. On the back it is fluctuating from 36 to 38 degrees. And on the bottom it is 34 to 35 degrees. For a total of 16 minutes, battery came down to 33%. And the phone feels slightly warm, not even that warm. So for approximately 16 minutes of gameplay, phone consumed 4% of battery, which is nice. Now for the heat test, I'll take pictures from front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and check the temperature. AC is still running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is still at 26 degrees. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. It's been 3 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front it is 40 to 41 degrees, on the bottom it is 35 degrees, on the back it is fluctuating from 38 to 40 degrees, and on the bottom it is 35 degrees. Now the phone feels warmer than before but doesn't feel hot. I'll use the phone for a minute to check for throttling. By the way, it took 200 photos in those 3 minutes, which is decent. And there is no throttling going on. So that's been the gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Vivo Y21. Overall, with the big display and the big battery, it gives a good gaming experience, especially for the price. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you think about this phone? Let us know in the comments below. I'm Unknown from Notion Hub. Meet you in the next one.